video tutorial of how to model a Lumia 920 or 980 at Rhino 3D. This lesson will be, I think, at least 3 videos long, because I don't want to make too long videos to YouTube. So this is my first tutorial, so please bear with me and with my English. But let's start. First we need the measurements for Lumia. So I went to the Nokia site and here it is. I will put all the reference pictures and other files to my blog site, where you can download them for free. So let's make this with these measurements. Let's make reference lines to the Rhino. So take polyline. It asks where to start. Always start at 0 point at the beginning. So this will be our base point. So let's type the first measurement, which is the width, which is 17.8 millimeters. Press enter, then hold shift and press mouse left, and then enter, and there we have the first line. Then we are going to put the long side. I didn't say I have OSNAP and planar and track on, so it snaps to the end points now. So snap to the end point and type in 130.3. Enter and shift. Okay, let's take the track because it's a little bit confusing. So again, shift, left mouse, enter, and there we have it. Then the height of the phone, again to the end point, switch to the front view and type in 10.7, and again shift and left mouse. There you go. And now we have the grid on. We can lock these by pressing lock objects, so we don't move them. Okay. So next we are going to put the reference pictures. So type in picture frame and select the side view. I have to say I haven't got the hang of the picture frame function, but I'm pleased to that I only have to rotate the picture. So let's put the end point and another end point at the height, and we get the picture there. And it's right way the screen is at the top. And let's do that again. Picture frame, just press mouse right button, it repeats the last command. So let's take the top view of the phone, or the screen, not top but the screen, and let's find the end points. There it is. So like you see, I have made the pictures right size, but something must be wrong, so I just scale this with scale 2D. I snap to the ends, and now we need the track. So let's go in here. Okay. Sorry. Let's take the 1D and end and take the end point of the screen picture or the line and press shift and mouse left. So now it's at the end of the picture, or should be at the end of the picture. Yeah. So next picture will be, so now we have to type the picture frame again, and let's put the bottom of the phone. So it also goes into the wrong place, so select it and type rotate. Take the end of the picture, press shift so you get the straight line, not like this, and left mouse, and there you have it. Okay, it's not the right height. Don't know what's going wrong here, but I think it's the first picture. So let's scale again. 1D at the end, bottom end and top end, and then just go to the end point of this picture. So pretty good line there with the screen. The screen pops out a little bit because it's curved. Lumia has this curved screen from every side. So it's pretty decent. I'm happy. So next one is the top view. So picture frame, enter, and select the top. You can make better reference pictures if you want, but because as you see, this is not millimeter accurate modeling now, but I don't care, I just want to learn the surface modeling. So there you go. Let's move it. Wrong. Type move, select end, select the picture end. There you have it, bottom and top. Have to check that the bottom of the picture is at right. Yeah, it's not at the SIM door or hatch is not at the right side, so we have to rotate it once more and move it back. Sorry about this. Now the hatch is at the right side. So when modeling, you should always check the little details like this, because when you have modeled the whole phone and you see that the door or the microphone or which one this is at the wrong side, it could be very unpleasant. So there we have it. We have now the reference pictures set to the place. Now we could make some cleaning, so let's make sub layers here. Oops, there. So for each side, for each reference picture, let's make a sub layer for them. So this could be side, and from layer panel, let's take the change object layer and move it to the side, and just repeat it for every reference picture. Like this. Now we have it. If you like, you can move this side view into the same side where the buttons for volume and camera is, if it makes you easier to make sense of the pictures or the model, but I don't think that I'm going to move that. So we can also lock these, or we can lock the whole. Okay, let's just do this. Okay. So let's continue. Let's change the layer which we are on and put the color for this fluorescent green so we can see something. Now we should have a midpoint and asterisk. So let's make the curve for the basic shape of the phone when you are looking it from the bottom or top view. So as we see, the screen is, this is going to be the middle curve, so let's put the next point. This is almost straight line all the way here where you see the shading like there in the other side. So let's put the first point somewhere here maybe. You can adjust your points later or make the phone look more like the way you like it. This is only for reference. So if you put this next point too far away, it will bend the whole line, so let's put it here. You can also I pressed shift, so it made the straight line, but if I don't push the shift for the next point, it still makes the curve, this line here, more curving. So if you push shift again, it makes 2 points. Maybe we push shift once more and put the point there. Okay, it didn't help. So okay, let's just make more points here. It doesn't matter. So try to make nice smooth curve here. You can adjust the curve points later, so it's not so. Oh, I forgot. Let's make this when it comes here to down from here. Let's start going a little bit off from the bottom view, because the phone, like I said, it's curved almost everywhere. So if this is the middle curve, you need to have some offset from the middle to the end, because the end curve will go here, and we're going to get the nice curvature which Nokia phones have. So let's go here, here, maybe here. But let's find the midpoint now. Take off the disable of snaps. So the midpoint is here. Maybe take a few of the points back, and let's take the asterisk off and go more down, because I think the middle of the back is almost straight, but so there's the midpoint. Midpoint is there. Maybe make put the asterisk on asterisk. Press shift for the last point, so it makes the, because we are going to now end this curve. Press enter, and we have this line. So when we mirror it to the other side, it will have nice continuous line here if we press shift for the end last points. So now press here, transform, mirror, take the end point, press shift, it makes the mirror more easier, and there you go. I'm not sure if, yeah, it's closed now. So now we have the bottom curve and top curve. If you want to make more complex model, you can make middle shape also, but I tried without it and it was good enough. So let's make two more curves to the top, because it will need them to make this nice Lumia curve to the top. So let's find the middle or end point. Too many snaps on. Okay, there is no midpoint, but there is end point, because we have used the mirror mode. So now we have this curve here. Just mirror it from the end point like that. Join. I think we need one more line near the model, so we get better result when we use the surface tool. So there we have it, we have the curves now for the shape. Sorry that took too much time. We now select the surface from network of curves, and you can select the curves, you don't have to use any it doesn't matter which order you choose them. Press enter, and now you can see the preview. Okay, that doesn't look good. There's some weird shape at the middle. So we have the only 3 lines at top. So let's use the surface from network of curves and select all the curves we made and press enter, preview, put on rendered mode so you can see which kind of shape it made. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it follows. Oh, very nice. It goes very nicely into the shape of the reference picture. Yeah, very nice. I'm pleased with this. Let's press OK. So now we have the biggest part of the body. Now we can use the patch command to make a rear end and join them and repeat it. Sorry. Select the patch, select the edge, press enter, preview, OK, join. There you have it, the basic shape of Lumia 920. There is some weird shit going on there, sorry. So you might want to change this to best and slowest and mesh to smooth and slower. So it went right away, it went a little bit better. So there you have it. This is the first part of the making Lumia 920. Hope you liked it. So the final model should look something like this. I have made this earlier. There is screen and rubber and things like that. And when it's rendered it should look like this. So let's see at the next part. Thanks. Remember to subscribe and like and write comments. Thanks.